was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my till you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall.
Hi guys, it is DIY day and I want to transform my lamps. These lamps, I bought them with the blue because at the time when I was buying them, I felt like my room was going to be blue. So I bought like these, is it ombre? Yeah, ombre type of blue with silver. But then now I feel like I want a change. I feel like it's restricting me with what I can do in my room.
Underneath the surface and you shattered every wall, and I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Alright, I am done with this one lamp and it looks amazing. So I'm going to work on the other one. This one, I'm going to work on that one together with you guys.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that it couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall, and I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
The next thing I'm going to be working on with the same contact paper is my nightstand drawers. I'm going to remove the knobs and I'll replace them with clear ones. This was the original design and then I tried spray painting them. It had dried properly, like you can see this part here, it had dried properly, but then the parts that had chipped, when I was putting like the third layer of paint, I think it was too cold, so it shrinked and got bubbles and just started peeling off, so that didn't work. So I decided instead of trying to spray paint it again, I just do contact paper, the same contact paper that is on the lamps, so that the whole thing can match. Now I am going to work on this and then I will show you when I set it up in the bedroom together with the lamps.
Streams of violet rays coming over me. Must have been dreaming it all. It's beyond me. I never knew your thoughts were about me.
The second drawer definitely came out better than the first one, and if I had more contact paper, I'd have redone it, but the fold is not that visible. So here are some of the before photos of how the bedside drawers and the lampstands were looking. Of course, you can see the clash. At that time, we were not seeing it, but now we can see it. And here is the final product. I love the outcome, and this has saved my wallet because the contact paper, the knobs, and the rhinestones cost me about $30, which is way cheaper than buying new lamps and new tables. So I'm going to leave the links in my description box for all the products. They're all from Amazon, and hopefully this has given you an idea of what you can do when you need to change something up. Contact paper is one of your solutions. Clearly, necessity is the mother of all inventions. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Baraka tele.